Hello student, continuing the two-plate single equation mold, we just have to mark the numbers on the plates so that bill of material can be made. First of all, we have to draw an arrow. How to make an arrow? With the help of polyline. There is a polyline. You just click a start point here and then show the direction. Press W, enter for change of width. Initial width should be 0, enter, and ending width should be 2 mm, enter. Then the length of arrow should be 3 mm. Arrow is marked here. Now again change the width, and width should be now the 0 and ending width also be the 0. Then click a point here, somewhere here. Now the arrow line is ready. It need to mark the numbers of our mold. If you want to increase the width of this arrow, you just scale it. How to scale? Just press SC, enter, then click the arrow, then press the enter, then give up a base point here, then put value of double, that is 2, enter. Now the arrow is increased, doubled, and the leader also increased. Now draw a circle. On the end of this circle, the diameter of circle should be 10, so type 5 here. It is so small. It should be 20. So erase this circle and select the circle again and put value of 7.5 so that 15 mm circle be drawn. It is also so small. So we offset it by 2.5 mm so that it would be 20 mm. Erase the base circle and then trim the line. Now it should be at 45-degree angle, so rotate it, enter on this point and put value of 45 and mark here, write text here, that is 1, and the size of this is 5. Okay, and it is so small, it should be of 8. Now it is okay, and move it into the center of this circle. Now you can copy all the arrows, leader arrows, and this bubble, CO, enter, and copy them using F8. Ortho should be on, and mark, then ortho should be on. Sorry, again this this is plate number 2. Sorry, okay. You can write here the P1 so that differentiate the plate and the standard parts. The plate is P1 and the standard part should be S1. You just move and put it into the center of the circle, and here we can write P2, okay, and it can be moved to the center, and then copy CO, enter, select and copy it. Now some copies are it can be rotated. Arrow, enter, enter, and at this point minus 90 and move the number to the center of this circle. Now marks CO, enter these two plates. One is this and second is this. Now move this sign to here, and this can be moved downward so that they did not clash any other line. It can be moved some inward, and now change the number. It should be 3, okay, 4, okay, 5, okay. Just double click and change the value of the number, not the word. Five, 6, 8, and this is 8, and this is 9. Okay, all the plate have some numbers, and now we mark the core and cavity. First of all, copy this to the insert, and then rotate it. Enter by 90. First the center here, then 90. Then move the number in the center of this bubble and then copy this and mark the number on the core. It can be rotated. CO, enter this one, enter, move it near the core and then rotate at the center and mark like this. Now just move it downward so that guide wheel should not cut, and then copy this one, CO, enter, and this should be at this core as upper core, and we have some rotation so that the clashing of two bubbles may be avoided. RO, enter. You just select it, then press enter. See, the base point should be here, and then rotate it how much you want. This should be just like this, and move the number to this bubble, and it can also be rotated. Enter at the center, just rotate and then copy the same to this screw bush and registering vignette, and we can stretch it. Enter from here to here, and it can be moved at a safe place where it may not be clashed to the other bubble, just like this, and move the number also in the center of this bubble. Now we have to mark this screw also. Just copy, we just select screw bush as S1 because it is a standard item. Okay, and this is S2, S and 2. Okay, and we can mark, copy this and move it to this screw. It can be rotated using arrow